Почитувани гледачи, чест ние да разговараме со господјата Вирџинија Еванс, која што по 14 пат го води Македонскиот филмски фестивал овде во Торонто. Ginny, how was this time? This is the first time we were sold out.
Yes, it is, and it's always been my dream that we do have a sellout. And a sellout to me means that we turn people away. That's a sellout, where you are trying to fill empty seats, and just like at Toronto International Film Festival or any other film festival, and we did it. And we did it with Honeyland. We did it with Honeyland that has been screened in Toronto several times for a week, 2 weeks down at Hot Docs, at TIFF Lightbox, and yet our Macedonian community came together and said, this film is important. This film is going to be submitted by Macedonia as their submission for the best foreign film to the Oscars. Has won multiple awards across the globe, and that it was important for our community to come together and see this film.
There were some other films as well. What would you tell us about some of those?
Well, we had a wonderful other film, which was God Exists, and her name is Petrunia, and we had a wonderful turnout for the opening night. Not quite a full house, but we're kind of close. And of course, we had a flurry of people buying tickets for not only the film, but also the party afterwards, which was wonderful. And they just embraced that whole idea. They loved it, and that means that it was like, come to the film, go to the party afterwards. And this is something that the Macedonians, I think, in the community like to do, and I think that they'll be doing it more in the future.
And again, we're coming back to Honeyland. After the film was presented, you had a special event.
Yes, it's interesting. I have a neighbor who is a beekeeper, and I also read in some of the interviews of the two directors that they thought it was a wonderful idea in some of the screenings that they had, that they had a honey tasting. And so that's what we're going to have when these people come out of their watching this lovely film. We're the Beekeeper Association, Toronto Beekeepers Association, and my neighbor and her friend are going to be here in the lobby, and people will be able to taste various honeys. Unfortunately, we don't have any Macedonian honey, but we don't have any honey from the characters, wild honey, but it would be lovely sometimes to have it.
Virginia, thank you very much for this short interview and for all these years that you put your brain, your effort, your power to bring Macedonian cinematography here in Toronto.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.